in this video we're going to be looking into uh, like object-oriented approach of collecting the objects and putting them in one category called collection. Uh, so for that one, I'm going to change this small a cube into a rectangular box. For that, let's say if I want to scale it, uh, trying to make it a little bit like a donut. So once I change the dimension, I'm gonna actually take it like this, make it so big that I am inside the box. So it's like the feeling which I wanted to get is like I'm gonna putting another object which is gonna be a donut and which is sitting inside this box. So we're gonna move it a little bit like over here, and then we're gonna putting our new stuff in there which I wanted it to be a donut shape. I'm gonna resize it again, and then let's scale it. Oh, that's what resizing is, right? So oops, so we wanted to scale it in all dimensions, and this is basically it. Let's just move it a little bit so that the whole thing is in this box. Okay, so now we'll still have to be, let's just scale a little bit, uh, let's just scale it down a little bit. Okay, sounds good. Looks good. So basically now if you look at our collection, we have a camera, cube, light, and torus. So in other ways, so basically if I wanted it to have its own collection, what I would do is like collection is gonna be a new, and I will say double clicking. So again, what I just did, let's do it again. Right click on this empty area and say collection and put it a new one. And inside the collection, I'm gonna be double clicking it and say donut, right? And the donut, and then take this one and then put it inside that collection. So now, so I just grabbed that and moved it to the donut collection. So this one we're gonna say box, right? And we can actually say like maybe a donut party, uh, and then we can have another collection new, which can be inside the donut party. We can call it the donut box, right? And then we can move every single thing over here inside the donut party. So when you do that, you will notice that we have a donut here, which the torus, which is gonna be I'm just gonna call it donut object. So the donut object is inside the donut collection. I can have multiple donuts in here, right? So if I move it, and then uh, basically if I just copy it and paste it, and move it, so we got multiple objects here, maybe a chocolate donut and a classic donut. Okay, so both of them are visible, are actually present inside the donut collection, right? And we have this donut box, right, which should have the cube, right? This cube, basically the donut box, so the donut party, So the donut party should have a donut box and the donuts, right? So we got the box and the donuts inside that. There are ways actually where you can actually put the camera and the light into like these ones, and then like they're gonna be, if you just move them, they're gonna be only one. So if I do that, don't show me this one, there's gonna be no camera or light, right, visible. So this one, the donuts are gonna be left behind, are gonna be left without any camera or light, which we don't want, right? So we're gonna keep these two out of that. Oops, let's just move them and out of it and make it a uh, part of donut party. So then, they are linked, or they are available for any of the collections. So if you make this visible, right, both of them are visible and the camera is visible, right? If you make it invisible, or if you make the other collection invisible, the camera and the light is going to be available like that. This is like very is going to be helpful when we are actually thinking about individual objects and individual collections, and so that's going to help us out. Thanks for watching.